Hi, my name is Mike Pantaleo. I'm with Michelin Ag North America with the Customer Engineering Group. We're at the Ag in Motion show here in Saskatoon, and we're exhibiting and we're featuring our products for the agricultural market. One of the things that we're focusing on is our UltraFlex technology. UltraFlex is a technology that was developed and introduced by Michelin some 10 years ago now in 2004 in Europe with the introduction of the Zego bib, and then in North America in 2006 with the introduction of the Axio bib, the IF tire. Real quick, it's the ability for the tire to carry loads at less pressure or higher loads at the same pressure because of a design change. There's a complete design change actually with the way the sidewall distributes loads and so on and so forth. But here at the show, we wanted to do a couple demos. This one here, we're doing a high clearance sprayer with our VF, very high flexion tires, and basically showing the difference in how we can reduce compaction with these new tires, with technology. So basically what we have is we got 19,670 pounds, so call it 20,000 pounds on the rear axle when the machine is fully loaded. And basically that's going to mean 10,000 pounds on each side. Even though these tires are both VF 380/90/46 spray bibs, what we did was we set up the scenario where on that side, we set the pressures to the VF technology requirements. On this side, we set the pressures if there was a standard tire in that size. That tire only requires 34 PSI to carry the load. This one requires 53 PSI to carry the load. So what we're going to have is a much bigger footprint over there, therefore creating better flotation and ultimately reducing compaction. So what we did is we cut two pits about 30 inches deep, and then we layered it. We screened the soil, and then we put layers of soil and then layers of lime all the way down. We brought the machine, rolled it in, and then rolled it off, and then we cut the front end off so that we show cross-section of the effects of the compaction down into the soil. So on this one here, this is a favorable one. You're going to see at 34 PSI, we only created a 9-inch rut. But then if you look at that, you'll see that the bottom of the footprint is actually on the third run of the lime. And then the other thing to look at too, which was pointed out, is as the load, like the radiation of the load and the compression on this one here, it does a little bit as we go down, but it's very subtle, and then it actually flattens out. When we get over to the other one, you're going to see that radiation and deformation goes a lot deeper into the ground. So again, over here to continue, when we compare that, we're down to the third run on that one there. We're down to the fourth run here. And then again, take note of the deformation because of the compression, even further down to the 5th, 6th, 7th layer of lime. So essentially, those are the benefits. And we do that through other products. This is a sprayer. We do it for combines. We do it for tractors. And all the benefits of that: reduce compaction, increase your yield, improve traction, better productivity, improve your soil, or I'm sorry, you improve your soil, but you increase your fuel economy, so longevity, you got less slippage, a lot of benefits. You need to look at your tires when you're considering these points.